I want to finish my exercise so that the capacity of my energy will not go down. Voglio finire la mia esercizio perché li ho fatto troppo breve. I think I will not go down again. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. All this is for the fat that we accumulate here. Tutto questo, and to let your body straighten. Tutto questo è per i grassi che si accumulano qui e qui. In più per renderti diretto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, as I've said before. So, this is home exercise. You can dress as you want for the home exercise. It's not gym. You're in your home, so you can do whatever. You can put anything you want. I dress number 4. I'm going for number 4. If I do this now, number 3 now. Number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18. As you're doing, your finger is moving. Your finger is moving too, because your finger needs to be strong as well, especially when you are above 40 years. 9900. People will think, why is she doing this? No. The more you do it, the energy, physical energy you have. Persone possono pensare perché fai queste cose che non danno nulla. Certo che dà. Io faccio così con la forza perché ho bisogno di accumulare energia personale, energia fisica. Quindi questo è come chi fa wrestling, è come chi fa boxing, perché l'energia fisica ti arriva anche. Se fai così, movimento piano, è quello in senso di solo contro immobilità. A me ho bisogno di energia fisica. I need physical energy. That is why I do it hard, to increase my energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 79, 80. Let me go for the next one, then I finish. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 100. Oh yeah. Yes. I've done it. Finish.